We got a tile roof gone bad. I'm going to show you as I look at this roof. Look at that fascia board. Broken tiles are causing a huge leak. We're here in the valley. The water can't run properly. We even have a tennis ball there. Someone was playing baseball up here. So you can see the dry bar right there. We got a little bit of fungal and mushroom going underneath and termite damage, all sorts of stuff going on there. You can see someone tried Mickey Mouse in it that had a handyman up here. No. Call a roofer, save some money, don't throw your money away, get it once done correctly, or click on the link below, and I'll see you soon, and I'll show you my video as I start doing the repair. Thank you.